Today in this tutorial I will share how to change this basketball image to a photo collage design in Canva. So let's start with it. And first in the elements I will search here basketball ball. Okay, and in the graphics I will use this image, and I have used a square canvas. It doesn't matter whatever canvas you use, just make sure you use the template or the graphics which looks like a basketball. Okay, so you can use any one of them, whichever you like. So I am using this one because it is easy to use and you can also change color in it. Okay, so I will just make it bigger, and after that I will just change the color to black. Okay, so this one is done. Now click on share, click on download, and make sure it is in PNG and change the size to 3.125 and click on download. As you can see, it has failed to download. And why it failed? Because I have used a pro image. As you can see, it is a pro content and you can just download an element like this. So there, to solve this, I need to do another thing, which is I will use a star, and I will use this one and make it as small as possible. Okay, and make it in the corner so that it doesn't hamper my main image. Okay, and now when I click on share, click on download and use the same settings and click on download, now as you can see it will get downloaded easily. Okay, so it is downloaded now. Now I will come to peaksvg.com. okay, and you can see here upload a picture section. Click on it and just upload the picture which you just downloaded from Canva. So as you can see, it is downloaded here and this is the image, and after that as you can see the outlines are coming here. So to change that, click on this filters and internal 3. Okay, so now as you can see the edges are coming here and the star is invisible. Now click on download SVG. Okay, so another thing you need to do is, which is that come to Canva again and use any type of color. Like I am using a purple color. Okay, and just click on share and download it. Download only the recent page, which is page 2, and just click on download. Okay, now I will come to photopea.com, which is the free version of Photoshop. Okay, so you click on open from computer and just use the SVG file which you just converted from peaksvg.com. So this is the SVG file as you can see, and now click on this file, click on open and place. Now you use the purple color which you just downloaded from Canva. Okay, so it is here. Now let's make it bigger and cover the canvas. Okay, and right click it and click on this clipping mask. Okay, so as you can see it is clipped with this layer. Now you have to just duplicate layer and use it on every layer. So now as you can see all the layers are converted with this purple color. Now I will just click on this file, click on save as PSD. Okay, and just save it. So now when this is done, let's come back to Canva and click on this add page and just delete the purple color and go to uploads and just upload the Photoshop document. So as you can see the document is downloaded here. Now click on it and as you can see it is available. Now click on individual layer and click on backspace to remove it, or you can do another thing, which is you can click on this delete button and just click on delete image. Don't click on delete frame, else the frame will also get deleted, which is the collage frame. So click on this delete image and do it for all of them. Okay, but as you can see, if you just zoom the image, there is a black layer which is coming out. So how to solve that? Just click on any of the layer, right click, go to layer, click on show layers. So as you can see, on every layer there is a black layer just below the main layer. So just select all of them, hold on Control and just select the layers and right click it, click on delete. Now as you can see, the frame is clear and you can just use the images to here. So I will just write here basketball player, because last time I have used the ball, so I will use the player, and this time I will click on photos. Okay, and I will use some pictures. So now as you can see, it is done with the collage part. Okay, so one thing I also want to share, that how you can share the template link with your friends or family or relatives. So for that I will just click on this duplicate page, okay, and just remove all the images. Okay, so this is a blank frame, as you can see. So this is the collage part and this is just the blank frame, as you can see in here. Just click on this share. So as you can see, there is a public view link, but if you share this public view link, your friend or relative or your customer cannot just edit the pictures and use their own pictures. So you need to share the template link, and for that click on this see all and click on this template link, and your template link will be generated. After you click on this create template link. So currently I don't want to create this template link now. If I want, I will just click on this button and that template link will be created, and as you can see, it is written here, anyone with the link can use this design as a template. Sign in is required, but you won't know who has made copies of the design, which is simply saying that if a customer or a friend or relative has a Canva free profile or a Canva Pro account, anyone can use it with just this template link and edit with their own images. Okay, they cannot use these Pro pictures which I have used, but they can use these free pictures for their project or use their own pictures. So hope you like this tutorial and hope you have learned something out of it, and please make sure you subscribe to the channel to learn more new tricks to make different type of photo collage or different types of editing techniques in Canva. Thank you, and I will meet you in another tutorial another day.